Introducing Hubbell's new concrete extend caps for recessed concrete floor boxes. For applications like stained or polished concrete and for pours with larger aggregate, Hubbell's new 1/2-inch extend caps can be stacked to create up to 1-inch concrete above the box, which will also help to prevent surface cracking under heavier loads. Accommodating our 2, 4, 6, and 10 gang series boxes, each box ships with one extend cap, and a second extend cap can be purchased separately. The extend caps are easy to install during pre-pour phase of the installation. Featuring 4 pockets on the top side of the cap, as well as 4 integral pins on the underside of the cap, the units simply lock together for easy installation. The pocket in the concrete that the caps create becomes an extended access space upon which the flanged surface covers will fit into. The flush covers nest into the pocket even to the finished floor with the aid of weight-bearing backing nuts supplied with the cover mounting screws. For more information, visit Hubbell.com.